What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold, and thank you guys for being here today. I appreciate it. Guys, today we're going over the top 5 watch list for Lotto Friday, August 12th. Okay, the top 5. We put these videos out for you guys every single day. And listen, if you're struggling with your trading, you're new to trading, you're new to the Strat or struggling with the Strat, or you're new to this channel, guys, what we do here and what we teach is going to change the way that you trade in the stock market. Okay, but the very first thing I need you to do is go down below, click that subscribe button, hit that bell. That bell gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day for free. This is the top 5. I send out main watch lists, weekly swings, monthly swings. I've got 300 plus videos in my channel for you guys for free to learn how to trade this strategy and how to do it profitably and consistently and become a happy trader and make profit on your trades, okay? Risk management, how to get into a trade, how to get out of a trade, how to manage that trade while you are in that trade. Okay, we go through everything. Everything you need to know and learn is in this channel. Okay, I'm also on Twitter. If you're on Twitter, you can find me at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can DM me there. You can ask me questions there. You can tweet me there. Do whatever you need to do. I will answer your questions back. Just send them out. Don't worry if they're silly or dumb, or if you think they're silly or dumb, I will answer them. You can do the same thing in any video down below in the comment section. Ask me questions. Make sure you're pressing that like button. And I'm also on Discord for the most part of the day. And if you have questions or anything there, you can join that Discord. The link is in the description below. I have a ton of free rooms. I've also got paid rooms, but 95% of what I do, guys, is free. The information is free. There's a small percentage that people pay for some extra help and just some extra areas to help them out with their trading. I have live trading bots. I've got a Griswold Strat indicator on TradingView, okay? It's not in the indicator tab. You need to click on the link in the description below, or you can find it in the Discord or the link on my Twitter profile, okay? It's 25 bucks. It's a one-time fee. You get the indicator for life. Any upgrades, any updates comes with the indicator, okay? It includes a lot of great stuff. Time frame continuity, the candlestick numbers, inside bars painted yellow, outside bars painted white, the Sarah Strat Sniper 50% rule. So go check that out. There's a video on it as well for what's included. Let's go through a couple things before we get started. Number 1, the platform that I use to trade or to chart with is TradingView. Okay, if you're looking for a platform to use or you've never used one before, go to the link in the description below. Okay, the TradingView link. That gives you a free 30-day trial to one of their paid subscriptions. Okay, and if you like it, if you want to use it, you'll get up to $30 off of that subscription, okay? So go check that out. Click on the link. Try out TradingView free for 30 days. The last thing I want to talk to you guys about is the ads. I know the ads suck. Let them roll through, please. Those advertisers are paying for you to learn this stuff for free, okay? I don't want to put this in a paid Discord. I want to keep it free for you guys as much as I can to keep your money in your pockets, okay? So for me doing these videos for you guys, the one thing that I ask, you let those videos roll through. Go get a drink, go get a snack, come back, and we'll rock out through the top 5 watch list. Okay, let's go through the top 5. Number 1 on the list is SPY, and this is number 1. I usually don't put these in alphabetical or in certain order, 1 through 5, numerical order, but I always watch SPY. It's very liquid. It moves fast. I like to trade it. So SPY is number 1 on my list for tomorrow. 2 up, finished red. We had someone in the Discord was playing SPY to the bottom. I think they did like 49%. It was a really, really great trade for her. And then someone else asked me if they should get in when the inside bar broke to the upside. I said, absolutely not. Wait for it to trend back down. I feel like we're going to fill that gap. And sure enough, we filled that gap. So, SPY, 2 up, finished red. Okay, we're going to look for this thing to come back down. Where is... Let me close out of this. Turn it back on. There we go. Indicator disappeared there. Sorry, guys. So 2 up red. We're looking for puts on this thing at 419.18. This is 0 days to expiry tomorrow. That's how I play my options, okay? You can get a week out. It's fine. It's not how I play it. If I jump into this play, if we trigger, 419.18 is the trigger for the puts. I'm taking a 419 put, okay? That's what I would take if this broke, and we're looking for it to hit first targets and possibly second targets here to fill this gap. I don't know if we go down that far tomorrow. We'll see what happens. See if we can fill that gap. That's play number 1. Now the next ones, there's no rhyme or reason, no particular order, okay? So Apple, same thing. There was a ton of these plays, these 2 up reds. Apple is another one, 2 up red. We're going to look for puts on Apple at 168.14. And likely if SPY comes down, Apple is coming down as well. So we can look for targets at 166.90 and then a gap fill here at 165.81. Next on the list, guys, is AMD, 2 up, inverse hammer or shooter candle right here. Okay, so 2 up, finish red. We've got the hourly, the daily, and the weekly is also red. We're going to look for puts at 98.01 on AMD, and the first target is right there. This is one of those high liquid plays. Apple is one of those high liquid plays. SPY is one of those high liquid plays. And what that means is the spread between the bid and the ask, guys, is super tight. It's like pennies. Now, I buy market orders. When I get into the trade, I buy a market order. When I get out of the trade, I sell a market order. I don't wait on limit orders because I want to get into that trade and I want to get out of that trade. I don't want to have to wait for it to fill. So that's what I like about AMD, Apple, SPY. They have these tight spreads where there's only pennies in between the bid and the ask. So I'm not jumping into a trade where the bid is $1 and the ask is $1.10 and I'm 10% out already. And that's just one of my rules. You guys don't have to follow that, but for me, that is one of my rules that I'm pretty steadfast on. Unless I'm looking at like a Sarah Strat Sniper 50% play, then I may jump in on limit order because I've got more time for that to fill. Okay. Next on the list is GME. That's GameStop. GameStop has an inside bar. So guys, we know about inside bars if you've been here for a while. If you're new, inside bars, they don't break the high. They don't break the low of the previous candle. They stay within the range. The Griswold Strat indicator paints the inside bars yellow, gives you this IB tab. Paints the outside bars white, gives you the OB tab. Okay, gives you the candlestick numbers, the 1, 2s, and 3s. But these inside bars, when you see them painted yellow, I want you to think of a spring being coiled and tightened and getting squished down. And when you let go of that spring, it explodes in one direction or the other. And let's just go look back. Double inside bar here, right? Triggered, target, target. The next one, inside bar triggered, not a great trade. Wouldn't have worked out over the 1 day. Okay, next one, double inside bar. We open here, triggered, target, target, and that's it. Okay, so even if we go back to look one more, this one opened here, we triggered and didn't hit targets. This one, where did we opened here, triggered, didn't hit targets, but we still had some nice profit there. So they don't always work exactly, but the majority of the time, and the probability tells us that this is a high probability play. So that's on GME inside bar. Okay, calls at 41.97, puts at 39.45. The time frame is currently pushing us to the downside for a day trade. Okay, so that's play number 4. Number 5 is NVDA. NVDA has a 2 up red inverse hammer candle, shooter candle. Okay, we're looking for puts at 178.61. Our first target we can mark out together right there at 173.17. Bonus plays, 2 of them. Number 1, Palantir, PLTR, 2 up red. Okay, puts $9.39. Let's mark our first target out at 9.32. Next target, 9.01. Okay, and then we've got the hourly, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly, and the yearly all pushing us down. Okay, so this is a high probability trade. We'll see how it works out. The last one I've got is Activision. Guys, I'm not sure about the spread on this, but I wanted to put on because it was a double inside bar. We've got 2 straight days of consolidation and a tightening range. Okay, if the spreads are too wide apart or the premiums are too high, it's probably not something I'm looking at. I don't think the premiums will be high, but I am unsure about the spread between the bid and the ask. So double inside bar, calls at 81.13, first targets at 81.22, puts at $80.50, and the first target is 80.49. That's not going to be our first target. Our first target will be right there at $80.41. And then the next one further down, right there at $80.03. And then we can mark the top targets there as well, putting a couple more on there. Guys, if you like this video and you found it helpful, there's more at the end of this video. Just wait. You can click. There's playlists. There's other videos. Make sure you're following on Twitter. Subscribe down below. Ask if you have questions. Like the video. Share the video. Get this thing out to people. Let them learn to trade the easiest way they can. And this is it. There's no indicators, okay? There's nothing on this chart. There's just lines that we're drawing on when we should get in and when we should get out. There's no RSIs. There's no MACDs. There's no bear flag, bull flag. There's none of that. This is the simplest way to trade in the stock market on any ticker. Bitcoin, Forex, doesn't matter, okay? This is it. So again, follow me on Twitter, subscribe down below, click that bell, get in that Discord. The link is in the description below. Good luck on Lotto Friday, guys. Preserve your capital. That's our goal. Okay? We manage our risk. We manage our trades. We will be successful traders. So good luck on Friday, and we will see you guys all on the next one. Bye-bye.